So, andito tayo ngayon sa West Condominium in Barangay Bangkal, Makati City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. Ganda ng view niya dito. Diba? Yeah. Along ano siya, South Super Highway. So going to airport, BGC, kayang-kaya yan ng 15 to 20 minutes drive. Tapos tawid ka lang ng ng South Super Highway, nasa Makati CBD ka na. So ito yung unit. So this is the unit, around 102 square meters floor area, and then meron siyang laundry area or maid's room, and then kitchen, over and under cabinets, katabi ng pintuan. And then this is the living and dining area. Very spacious. And facing Makati skyline. Oh. Diba? That's the skyway. Hindi naman siya maingay. So, dalawa yung kwarto niya. Ito yung bedroom 1. Wow. Ang ganda ng view nito pag gabi. Ayan, oh. Makati, Manila, Pasay. Ito Makati. San Lorenzo Village. Ayan. Floor to ceiling windows, and then ensuite bathroom. Tapos may built-in cabinets na siya. Aircon provision. Ito yata yung primary bedroom . And then meron tayong common bathroom dito. Papansin niyo yung tiles niya, lumang-luma. 90s pa kasi ito . Ito yung isang kwarto. Floor to ceiling windows din. And maganda rin yung view niya. Diba? Unobstructed. May built-in cabinets na kasama. So this is around 6.7 million, that's the regular price, or 60,000 per square meter. And then discounted price po natin is nasa 6.1 million, or around 56,000 per square meter. Still sale na po yan. This unit comes with a parking space. And this is available in cash, or at least 20% spot down payment, and then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. This is as is where is upon turnover. So if you would like to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. So first come first serve po tayo dito. Pero if marami pong nag-submit ng offer, may discretion po si bangko na mag-conduct ng bidding. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Malapit lang po tayo sa Makati CBD. Actually, tatawid ka lang ng Osmeña Highway. And then going to Makati, or going to Naiya, BGC, pwede po tayong ayan, South Superhighway. Prime location. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Maayos pa naman siya, luma lang yung building, luma lang yung condo, pero syempre, if naghahanap kayo ng mga malalaking cuts ng mga condominium, usually sa mga old building or old condo nyo po siya mahanap. Katulad nito, 100 plus. Ngayon, ang mga pre-selling condo ngayon, mga nasa 20 to 50. So again, if you're interested, message us directly. Ano to? Ito yata yung dating gym. Ano? Parang naman wala yung mga amenities. Jacuzzi dito eh. Ayan, jacuzzi pero hindi naman gumagana. Pati swimming pool. Ayan. Oh my God. Ganda ng view dito. Roof deck niya. Kaso di maganda ang amenities. Actually, walang amenities at all. Parang yung function area lang. Yung gym, wala namang equipment. Walang weights. Itong sauna, hindi ko alam kung gumagana ba yan or what. Dapat siyang gawin na lang Zumba yan. Parking slot niya. Thank you, Chief.